Alright, new piston's in. Just gotta make sure these rags are so the little clips that go inside there to hold the wrist pin on, they don't fall in to there. That's what you don't want. This piston, all the rings are on the way they're supposed to be. Check the tolerance for the cylinder. A little math you gotta do. Take the bore, you times it by 4 thousandths, and then that's the gap you should have, which in my case was 15 thousandths. So put the gasket set on, and then I'll slap the cylinder on, and I'm gonna put the cam and everything on, this whole cam assembly on the head itself before, so I can check what shims I need. Alright, I'll be back in a bit.